We are the team of 4 members. My name is Lakshmi Mani. My name is Narsina.
My name is Nivedita Mudiroda.
My name is Swati Muthunagar.
And today we are excited to present our topic Agile development tool named as Zoho Sprints. In this presentation, we will be explaining how the Zoho Sprints helps team manage the projects efficiently using the Agile development. Let us start with the introduction. The Zoho Sprints is an Agile project management tool developed by the Zoho Corporation. It helps the team plan, track and deliver the projects in an iterative cycles, commonly used by the software development teams to manage the Scrum-based projects, supports the Agile and Scrum methodologies to adapt to changes quickly, offers the real-time collaboration, automation and customs workflow used by the startups, IT companies, educational institutions for the efficient project management. It is a part of the Zoho suite of business applications and follows the Agile and Scrum methodology, making it an ideal for the software development, IT teams, startups and any organization that works with the iterative and fast-paced projects. The main purpose of this Zoho Sprints is to enable the continuous improvements and faster delivery, encourage the team collaborations and transparency, simplify the Agile project tracking and performance analysis. So then, who can use this Zoho Sprints? So these Zoho Sprints can be used by the software development teams using an Agile or the Scrum, startups managing the multiple short-term projects, project management who need real-time visibility into the progress. So Agile teams practicing the sprint-based development. So the last Zoho Sprints provide an intuitive, flexible and collaborative platform for managing the Agile projects. It helps the team stay organized, adaptable and productive, making it a valuable tool for anyone practicing the Agile methodology. So we have said that the Zoho Sprint is an Agile development tool. Then, what is an Agile? An Agile is a project management and software development approach that focuses on flexibility, collaboration and continuous improvements. And it is an iterative approach to project management, focuses on collaboration, flexibility and customers' feedback. Instead of following the obvious step-by-step plan like traditional methods such as waterfall, Agile allows the teams to work in a small iterative cycles called sprints, when they plan, build, test and review parts of the project continuously. The projects are divided into a short cycles called as sprints. Encourages the daily standard readings and continuous improvements. For example, Google and Spotify uses the Agile methodology for faster products development. The benefits of this Agile is faster delivery, improves the communication and adaptability. Then what are the key principles of this Agile? So it involves the customers' collaboration over the contract negotiations, responding to the change over the following fixed time, working the software over the lengthy and documentations, individuals and interactions over the processes and tools. So these principles come from the Agile models created in 2001 by the software developers who wanted a better way to manage the projects. Then how this Agile will works. So project is divided into a smaller class which we call as sprints. Usually it can be of 1 to 4 weeks. Each sprint delivers a usable product increment, a working version of the project. The team reviews the feedback at the end of each sprint and make the improvements in the next one. So then the benefits of this Agile tool, the faster delivery of the usable results, better adaptability to changing the requirements, higher customer satisfaction, improve the teamwork and transparency, and the Agile is a flexible, team-oriented and feedback-driven approach to developing the projects or managing the projects, ensuring the faster results, continuous improvement and the customer satisfaction.
So what is Zoho Sprints? Zoho Sprints is a Agile project management tool that helps a team to Androids and iOS if for the remote projects. Even when the team members are not in the office, they can work in the wherever they are and check progress to the mobile apps. This supports remote and hybrid teams. Next is provide role-based access control and team activity feeds. So different team members can have different roles. For example, an admin, developer, and a tester. So each with a specific permissions. Activity feeds also show the updates like who created or completed or and maintain the team transparency. Next is the key features. Now let's move to the key features of the Zoho Sprints that make it powerful and easy to use. First one is the Scrum Board. So visual task representation to do in progress and done. The Scrum Board visually displays the team's tasks in different columns. And next is the backlog management. So it's like a backlog management is collect and prioritize the user stories. A backlog is a list of all the stories and the use cases and that are need to be done. Zoho Sprints helps team prioritize which one to work on first and based on the importance and the deadlines. So next is the sprint planning. So it helps plan tasks for the next sprint. So a sprint is a short time box period about 1 to 4 weeks where a set of tasks is completed. Sprint planning helps team decide which task will be done in that sprint and assign them work to the team members. Reports and dashboards include the burndown, velocity, and the flow charts. So these reports shows how well the team is performing. Burndown charts track progress and the velocity charts measure how much work the team completes per sprint. And flow charts help identify the bottlenecks. Next is the time sheets. So track time spent by each member. Teams can log how much time is spent on the different tasks, which helps in performance analysis and future project planning. And integration works with the Slack, GitHub, Bitbucket, and Zoho projects. Slack is for communication. Zoho Sprints can also connect with the other popular tools like Slack for communication, GitHub and Bitbucket for code management, and Zoho Sprints for the broader project time. It allows smooth and collaboration without switching between the platforms. Zoho Sprints is a cloud-based Agile project management tool that is developed by the Zoho Corporation. It is designed mainly for software development teams, but it can also use any teams that follow the Agile approach. The main goal of Zoho Sprint is to help the teams stay organized, collaborate effectively, and deliver projects faster. Unlike traditional project management tools that focuses on the long-term traditional planning, Zoho Sprints promotes flexibility and adaptability, allowing them to respond quickly to challenges in the requirements of the priorities. One of the key highlights of Zoho Sprints is the user-friendly interface. The dashboard gives a clear overview of ongoing projects, tasks, and deadlines. Teams can easily create and manage user stories, small manageable pieces of work that represent what needs to be done. These stories can be grouped into the sprints, making it easy to plan and execute the tasks step by step. The Scrum and Burndown boards provide a visual workflow so team members can track progress and identify which tasks are pending in progress and which tasks are already done. So this visual clarity makes collaborate smoother and increases the productivity. So what are the importance of the benefits of this Agile tool? So another important aspect of Zoho Sprints is the real-time tracking and reporting. The tool automatically generates a chart such as Burndown and velocity reports, helping project managers evolve the team's performance and progress. This data-driven insight ensures that any delay or the challenges can be spotted early and resolved before they affect deadlines. It also helps in predicting how much work the team can handle in the future sprints, improving the long-term planning and accuracy.
Now I am going to explain about the workflow of Zoho Sprints. For this we have 6 steps. Those are create a project, add a backlog items, track sprints, and track progress. that flow and iterative approach. Let's look at the workflow of Zoho Sprints. Create a project. The first step is to define the project name, duration and the team members who will be involved. This sets the foundation for the managing all futures, sprints and tasks under that project. And second one, adding backlog items. Next we add items to the backlog. These can be user stories, bugs and tasks that need to be completed. The backlog acts as a master list of everything that could be worked on in future sprint. Plan sprints. After defining the backlog, the team plans the upcoming sprint. This means selecting a specific set of backlog items that can be completed within the sprint duration. Typically took 2 or 4 weeks. Track progress. During the sprint, progress is tracked using the Scrum Board where tasks move through stages and through like to do in progress and done. Team members update tasks and by dragging and dropping cards, helping everyone see real-time progress. Review sprint. Once the review sprint ends, the team reviews its performance. Zoho Sprints provides detailed reports and metrics that help analyze productivity and completion rates and identify any bottlenecks and challenges faced during the sprint. And next one is retrospective. And detailed explanation of retrospective is finally the team conducts a retrospective meeting to reflect on what went well, what did, and what can be improved in the next sprint. This step helps in continuous improvement and better teamwork over the time. Okay, now let's talk about the benefits of Zoho Sprints. What are the benefits of Zoho Sprints? Boost collaboration and increase transparency, and easy sprint tracking and progress visualization, and data-driven decision making using reports, and custom dashboards and team goals. Supports remote teams and saves time with drag and drop management. It boosts collaboration and increases transparency as well as team members can clearly see what everyone is working on, and it provides easy sprint tracking and progress visualization and making it simple to monitor tasks and project health at a glance. And the tool supports data-driven decision making using reports and analytics, helping managers and plan better. It offers custom dashboards for different team roles, ensuring that each member sees the most relevant information. And lastly, Zoho Sprints is a great remote teams. It saves time through drag and drop management and ensures smooth coordination even when members are working from different locations. In summary, Zoho Sprints streamlines project management by combining flexibility, visualization and collaboration, making it all ideal for agile teams to deliver quality and result faster and more efficiently. In comparison with other tools, we take up Zoho Sprints and Jira, Trello, ClickUp and Asana. We are comparing these, and compared to other project management tools, Zoho Sprints stands out for its balance between features and affordability. While Jira provides more advanced agile functionalities, it's often complex and costly for smaller teams. Trello, on the other hand, is user-friendly but lacks deep agile and reporting features. ClickUp offers many tools in one platform, but it can feel overwhelming due to its cluttered interface. And Asana has an excellent design and usability, but it focuses more on task management rather than full agile project tracking. Zoho Sprints provides an ideal middle ground, simple and affordable and perfectly situated for startups and small to medium-sized businesses looking to adopt agile practices effectively. Zoho Sprints offer the perfect balance of features, simplicity and affordability. Unlike Jira, which is expensive and complex, or Trello, which lacks full agile tools, Zoho Sprints is easy to use and cost effective. It's less cluttered than than Asana, making it deals for startups and small to medium-sized.
Pricing and planning. Zoho provides 4 types of plans to suit a different kind of teams. Those plans are free plan. It supports 3 users and it includes all basic agile features and making it perfect for small teams or beginners. And next one is the standard plan. It prices at 200 per user per month. It includes reports and integration for better project management. And next one is premium plan. It costs 400 per user per month. It offers advanced automations and detailed analytics, the ideal for growing teams. And finally, enterprise plan. Enterprise plan offers a custom pricing and is designed for large organizations that need more scalability and customization. The next is real-world experience of Zoho Sprint. Zoho Sprint is used in software development teams to track the project, to add the new features and release the new plans. And next, secondly, it is used in educational projects. In educational projects, it is used by both students and teachers that use the Zoho Sprint to manage the assignment, track the project deadlines and teamwork. And third one is it is used in IT companies to monitor the sprint velocity and productivity, helping the managers to understand how quickly their teams are growing progressively. And finally, the startups. The startup uses Zoho Sprints to plan the short-term goals and track progress transparently, which is very important when teams are small and fast-moving. And so we can see Zoho Sprint is flexible and can be used in many different environments from education, professional industries. The next conclusion is Zoho Sprint is complete and easy to use agile project management tool that helps team plan, track and deliver the projects efficiently. And next, it combines simplicity with power of Scrum-based tracking, meaning it is easy from both beginners and professionals to track and it is useful for many. And especially it is helpful for project development teams, IT companies, startups and educational fields. With real-time updates, automations and detailed reports, the team can make better decisions and improve the productivity. Overall, Zoho Sprint is a perfect tool for any teams that works for better project management, collaboration, transparency and faster project delivery. Next, these are the references